What's up, players? You know the drill. You want to dominate on the court. You need the right tool. And today we're not talking about your average garden variety paddle. We're deep diving into tech that makes the JOYSENTS T700 raw carbon fiber pickleball paddle a game changer. Forget the junk. This is the good stuff. Look, a lot of paddles out there feel like a wet noodle or a slab of concrete. The T700, it's the best of both worlds, and here's why. The headline feature is the raw carbon fiber face. This isn't just any shiny paint job, fellas. This is high performance textured material that gives you the ultimate spin and control. It's got that grit, meaning that you have that nasty top spin on your drives, or carve out a perfect dipping shot right into the kitchen. The texture keeps the ball in the face just a fraction longer, what we call dwell time, for maximum spin modulation. Now flip this bad boy over, we're talking about 16mm thickness. Why does that matter? The girth, combined with the thermoformed construction, gives you a super stable, solid feel. The core is an inner core PP polypropylene honeycomb that is strategically reinforced with high density PU foam in the sweet spot. What does that mean for you? Less vibration, more power, and zero dead zone. You get that sweet spot power optimization for enhancing power on your slams while keeping that crucial touch for sensitivity on your dinks. It's built for all skill levels, from beginners to that competitive grinder. And for the guys who take the paddle through the ringer, the thermo-sealed edges and the one-piece construction means that this thing is built like a tank. It prevents delamination and keeps that performance consistent, shot after shot. This paddle is USAPA approved, so you can bring this weapon to any tournament and know you're playing by the rules. In short, T700 raw carbon fiber for the sickest spin, 16mm thermoformed core for power and stability. If you're serious about your game and want the ultimate spin and control, this JOYSENTS T700 is your next upgrade. But what do you say we go to the practice facility and talk to me after I've used this for a couple weeks and make sure everything matches up in real life? Okay, such a rare comment from me. This paddle, I was so excited about it. I love the look, I love the red, the outline, it all looks good. Actually, if you look, you can see the wear on it. I put extra miles on it because I wanted to know how I really felt about it so I can express it to you, because it is not a bad paddle. It is a good paddle, but it is not the paddle that I like to play with. So let me explain to you, because it's definitely a good paddle. This is just a personal choice thing, right? I like when my paddles have like this kind of like soft but solid feel, and you hit the ball and it just shoots away, and it kind of just feels right for me. This paddle in particular doesn't do that. It has kind of like a firm, almost like a tinny kind of sensation when you hit the ball. Now, when you hit the ball goes where you want it to. Plenty of speed, plenty of control, plenty of spin. All of the functionality of what you want from a paddle is absolutely here. The only thing for me that it doesn't feel good, doesn't sound good when I hit it. I mean, is that important to you? I guess that's a real question. You put that in the comments. Is it important to you how it sounds and how it feels when you play with your paddle, or do you really just care more about the outcome? Was it a good, powerful shot? Did you have control of the ball? Because all those things you're gonna have with this, you're just not gonna have, for me, the most satisfying feel when you strike that ball. So if you wanna get this, you cannot possibly go wrong with it. It really works well. There's a link here and down below. Both of them work the same way. Neither one costs you anything extra to use. You gotta hit that hype button right now. It's an important new feature, and if I've added some value, please hit that for me. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, like I said. Let me know what you think about this, how important that feel is to you, or is it about how the paddle works? This one, works-wise, is a 5 out of 5. Feel-wise, for me, only a 3 out of 5. I want to hear what you have to say. Put it in the comments. All right, welcome back from the court. I have in my hand here that JOYSENTS paddle that you just saw the whole review of, and I'm assuming you're interested because you're here, but I really wanted to do this unboxing, which is kind of unusual for a pickleball paddle, but it was such a nice complete kit. I wanted to show you it. So let's open this thing up so you can see. Look at that. What do we got in here? This is such a complete nice kit, right? So the paddle, which is ridiculous looking, how cool is that? I love the red trim. They gave me options in terms of which one I wanted. Yeah, give me the fire red trim. Normally under here, I haven't looked yet. Yeah, absolutely in love with this fire red trim, this carbon face. Feels great in the hand. I guess my review was pretty good because you're still here watching it. So let me show you what else we have in here. So the other things we have in here are why I wanted to come talk to you about. I've never seen this in one of these pickleball kits. It comes with the weights. How cool is that? That is so different and so cool. Those make such a huge difference in how your paddle performs. I've done videos on that. Just Google it. You'll see them. Absolutely experiment with those weights. It'll definitely improve your experience. And then we also have 2 different grip wraps, which again, really improve your experience. Very easy to do. I've done a lot of videos on how to install those. You should go check those out. As a whole package and experience, this whole thing from JOYSENT is really cool. Although I will say, I know I asked for the red paddle, but I feel like they should have color coordinated the packaging. They're like, the green kind of clashes with my cool red, but I'm gonna overlook that because it's such a complete cool kit. Anyway, hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.